Hi there, it's me, BlixerTheGamer. Welcome to BlixerTheGamer error. I still have something about this. It's because the computer has been an error message about that. So please, I tell ya, just do not turn off the computer. Or every time you turn on the computer, you will lose one chance. You ready? So please, just take here and do not turn on the computer. I talking serious. Please, do not turn on the computer once again. Right me at the I listen. I say every time you turn off, you will lose one chance. So please, do not do it again. I'm becoming a little bit angry. Okay, you know what? You have only 3 chances left. You know what happens if you turn out again? You have two. But this is gonna be different when you turn out again, okay? I may be becoming more angry. So you know what? Don't turn out again. But if you wanna turn out again, just do it. I'm becoming more angry.